Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So we have some hands-on video which has been leaked, which I can't show you, but we have the teaser trailer for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 when it's going to be launched. So yeah, we can see the teaser trailer on internet, but here's a video clip of the teaser trailer for you guys. So the teaser trailer confirms it is going to be launched on 26th June, and we have the details regarding it also, because Z Fold 5 official renders hands-on video shows us that it will have the quiz, the phone will shut down perfectly, and also there are pre of benefits that you will get $50 Samsung credit if you pre-order Z Fold 5. And yeah, there are also the freebies which are available, so yeah, it's pretty nice. And also, speaking of Z Fold 5, it will be shutting down flat because it's a new kind of a hinge. The sensor are more protruding outside, so basically it will come with more bigger camera sensor, and the flash has been moved to the side instead of the bottom, while the other things looks the same. Also, as Universe has said, like, there won't be IP58 water resistance rating, it will be only IPX8, which is a bummer to see, but it is what it is at this point. But yeah, it will be dustproof standard IPX8. And yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.